Welcome students. So in this video, what we will discuss means the compartment exam 2024 results declared yesterday. That means 2nd August 2024 compartment exam result declared for both class 10 and 12. And I think maximum number of students have cleared. So it is very good news. But some students have got failed. Okay. So if you got failed, what is the next step you have to do? So the first thing, many students will keep in mind that I have written well. The exam I have whatever I written well, but the marks whatever I thought it's not received. So I need to apply the revaluation. So when is the next revaluation? When I need to get the photocopy? So these steps and all, surely the board will be informed. But before that, I will tell what is the step already done in 2023. I will inform in this video. So this video will be very useful if you failed in the compartment exam. So next step, what you have to do when you have to apply the revaluation, all these things will be, I'll explain in this video. So the first thing, the board will give the notification same like this. Listen here. Okay, this is 1st August 2023. Before year PDF I have given. So same like this for 2023 supplementary exam 2023-24, the board will release. What are the things they will give? That we will see here. So before year already 1st August 2023 itself for revaluation itself already given, but this time it is late. 2nd August 2024 only the result is declared. So what are the things will happen means first thing you have to do the verification of mark. And the second, you have to apply the photocopy. And the third, you can apply the revaluation. So these three things you have to do in order. You can't do directly the third step without doing the first step. So what are the things you have to do? Listen here, first step clearly they given. The detailed modalities of verification of mark applying the photocopy for supplementary exam. So 2023, this is before year. So no application after the scheduled date on time in offline mode will be accepted. So they will give the PDF copy when we have to apply. So listen here. So the dates will be given like this. Okay. So this is before years. So before year, what they given when you have to apply the verification of mark. So in the 3rd August 2023 to 4th August. Like this year also they will give the notification. And next step, you have to apply the photocopy, applying in online. And the third step, you have to apply the revaluation. These three steps you have to do it in order. I am telling this is for sample before year it released. So same like this for 2024 students also the PDF copy will be released. This is a step. So listen how we have to apply all these steps. So all these they will be given clearly. So first initially the processing charge will be check or cash will be given. Only a single application for each step per candidate will be applied in the online process. For each step per candidate, how many application? Only single application will be accepted. And if the marks is increased or decreased, whatever the marks it's happened, that only will be considered. In case if the student got pass mark and is again reapplying it failed means that failed mark only will be considered. If the student got failed in reapplication, so he got pass means the pass mark only will be considered. So you have to be careful when you are applying the revaluation. And due to the revision of marks or delay in the process for reasons beyond control. Okay, in case some consequence or reasons, if it is delay means board will not be responsible, they given. And processing charge will not be refundable. These details are given clearly. So this is the first step, the verification of marks. If you done this verification of marks only, next step it can be processed. So first in verification of marks, given an annexer. So our verification, it will be 500 rupees you have to pay per subject. And the outcome will be uploaded from which mail ID you have logged in, from the CBSE website. From that same, it will be again for the particular register number or roll number, the marks will be released. Okay, so recalculated and released. C point is another important point. Only those candidates who apply for the verification of marks online will be eligible to apply for obtaining the photocopy. So if your verification of marks will be eligible, then only you for apply for the photocopy. You can't directly go to third step without completing first two steps. So first step is only you have to verification of mark. And the second step is photocopy. And the third step is revaluation. So first step you have to apply. So the verification of marks, first you have to be clear. And if it is okay, then you have to go for photocopy. Here itself, the table clearly given. Same like this only. Okay, so first to 500 per subject for verification and applying the online for 700 rupees. And the third again for re-evaluation 100 rupees. So same like this order only you have to go. So first step you are completed and you are getting good marks. Next you have to obtain a photocopy. The marks awarded for the question, you have to 100 per question. So request for re-evaluation challenges will be accepted for theory portion. For each question, you have to pay it for example, 26th question it is wrong. So you have to pay 100 rupees. 28th question, 100 rupees. Like that, you have to referring the marking scheme for the particular student. And next, this is second step. And third step is revaluation of the answer. If the candidate is saying the challenging the marks awarding to any question, he or shall be apply the revaluation of the marks. So in second step, if the post got the 700 rupees and he got the good marks, and then you have to apply for the revaluation, third 100 per the question. So this is the process. I am telling this is for 2023. So same like this within 1 or 2 days for 2024, the candidates also will be released. Okay, clear. And then if again in the second step also you got failed. Okay, so many sources are there, so don't worry about that. So in YouTube also, in my channel also, clearly for all 10th, 11th, 12th students, for each chapter I have explained in Tamil clearly. For each chapter all the NCERT solutions explained. Only thing is you have to study. And the second thing also, online classes going on for the compartment students. So online classes already, when the students failed in regular and within 1 month or 1.5 month compartment came also, many students have passed through my online classes. Not only my online classes, through my colleagues, many students have attended, many students have passed. So how the online classes will be if you got failed next step? If you got failed next step means how the online classes be. So classes will be weekly, 3 days or 5 days. It's up to you. So weekly, 3 days or 5 days. It's up to you. So if alternate days also, daily the homework will be given. Okay. So first initially in the weekly 3 days, what are all the important units and what are all the units weightage is more for that unit only will be completed first. According to the particular compartment exam students, the calculus part I won't touch initially. The non-calculus part, relations and functions and inverse trigonometric functions and matrix and determinants. So matrix and determinants, and then vector algebra, and then linear programming, and then probability. So like these chapters, I will complete it initially first for the compartment students. Probability, sorry. Okay, so probability. For these chapters, I will complete for the compartment student. And if they completely thorough, and then I will move to the continuity and differentiability, applications of derivative, integral, applications of integral, like that. But initially, I will make them to thorough that NCERT questions, exercise, example, previous board exam question, all the concepts, they will be, class will be handled. For you, the classes will be in morning 9 a.m. to evening 4 p.m. only. Because for regular students only, the classes will be after evening 4 p.m. But for compartment students, from morning 9 a.m. to evening 4 p.m., the classes will be daily 1 hour or 2 hours according to your level. The classes will be fixed. But if you follow regularly, now it is August, any of the result will come in August 15th or 20. If you got failed, any of for September, October, November, December, January. Solidly 5 months is there. So surely you can get the pass mark. What are the things we are telling and what are the homework we are giving? What are the tests we are giving? All the things, if you followed correctly, surely you can get the good marks. So I pray to the God. If you got failed in revaluation, need to pass. And if you revaluation, if you failed also, there is no problem. Many options are there to get the pass mark. Okay. So thank you, students. If you're interested in these online classes also, my number is 8610684838. You can call to this number or you can send WhatsApp message to the to my number, and you can send the Zoom link I will send to you. You can apply it and you can see the video and then you can join. Whatever the demo classes will be both in English and Tamil. Tamil students also can join, English students can also join. That means not the new students also can join. It will be very useful because for abroad classes also going on. So don't worry about the language. It will be in English or also it will be in Tamil also. There is no problem. Thank you, students. All the best for your future. Thank you.